How's it going, everybody? Josh here from Washington's Evergreen Coast, and today we have some exciting information for you. Today we are launching our partner portal, and we're going to show just how easy it is to add events across Pacific County to our awesome new website. So today, this video might be a little dry, but bear with us because the information is fantastic, and you're going to need to see this. Come on over here, and we're going to show you just how to do it. First thing you're going to need to do is go over to your laptop or pull out your mobile device. After that, we're going to have to go to evergreencoastwa.com. Our fabulous new website features everything Pacific County. As we scroll down, this is a new edition, just launched last night. Continue to scroll down past all the great information, all the way to the footer, and you'll see a section here that says Partner Portal. And we're going to jump into that Partner Portal. All right, we'll go over this one more time just to make sure this video is super clear. We're on the evergreencoastwa.com website. Awesome website. Scroll past all of this amazing information. Continue to scroll down to the footer. Down at the footer, you're going to see a handful of buttons, including this Partner Portal, which I'm hovering around. We are going to click that Partner Portal, and it's going to take you to the Partner Portal login page. Once you've had an account, this will be where you log in, but obviously I already have an account. What we're going to do today is show you how to become a member and register now. So down below the login will be a register now button. We're going to click that. This is going to take you to the partner registration page. This is really important. So we're going to need to come in here and add some information. I'm going to do this with you. Like many of you, I wear many hats in this community, so we're going to do spawnflyfish.com because I do not have an account and we have some events coming up that we would like to share, just like all of you. We'll go in here, we will add a password, and we will hit submit. Make sure that this is all accurate. And once we, good check, can't spell. Once you hit submit, this is going to go over to one of us here at the Evergreen Coast. We'll hit submit, we'll see. It's going to wait for a second. Perfect. Thank you for registering. So we will be receiving this on our end, and we will go in and approve your account if it deems something that needs to be approved. So we will show you just what happens next.
Oh, I didn't see you there. Me and Dwight are here to approve your registration today.
All right, so we submitted our registration. It has been sent to the Evergreen Coast and approved, so let's check this. Let's hit refresh. We'll come in here, go back to the login page, and I will use my new login. You can click remember me if you'd like and log in. We are in. We are not going to remember that password. So this is where you'll be able to manage your content. Currently, we have no listings. It was just approved. One thing I do want to note, if you submit this on a Friday night or a Saturday, remember our hours are much like yours and we will not be able to approve that till the following workday. The thing that we want to really focus on today is we want to go into this actions button over here. We have new listing and add event. We will do a separate video on the listing, but today we really want to focus on the new event. So please click new event. And this is where the information is going to live for your event. This is what we've been doing in-house, but as the busy season ramps up here on Washington's Evergreen Coast, we want to pass this responsibility to you so that we ensure everything is accurate and timely as possible. You'll go in and fill out all of this information. You'll hit links, you'll put the location, the city, and then you will submit that event. So it is as simple as that. Go in there, do all of this. You'll add that. The other thing that we want to note here, categories. This is for community events and live music exclusively at this moment. If you have something that we would like to deem as a main event, which live on our page, please email me at jphillips@evergreencoastwa.com. But until then, add these to the community events and live music. You will upload them here at the bottom. It'll be sent to our team for approval, and it will go on to our website. You'll be able to check that here on the events page. You'll be able to go down here. You can see events that we've already added. Click into it. And what you'll also be able to do here is add to your calendar. This will be on your phone and on your computer. Really good reminder for you to make sure that you don't miss anything that's happening here on Washington's Evergreen Coast. Again, we hope this was helpful. We hope this is something you found informative. This website is going to be a hub for all things on Washington's Evergreen Coast. If you enjoyed this, hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.